So, good afternoon, everyone. Today, I thought I will take a different subject and talk about if astrology is valid. Astrology has been found to be wrong because you have no clear understanding of what astrology can do. Even astrologers, of course, have to be blamed for this. Astrology is valid because you have to have a destiny. Now, destiny is there or not, of course, is another study. And my studies show that everyone has a destiny. And if a destiny is there, of course, it is always possible to find some way to predict that destiny. But the problem lies in the human desire to overcome destiny or hoodwink destiny or whatever, which is just not possible. So, why is this so? If there is a good astrologer, he will always tell you the past correctly. Almost all, I have seen this as valid. Now, when it comes to the future predictions, what happens is that astrologer and you both are part of that predictions which are going to be made. So whether the prediction would be true or not depends on your destiny. Because the destiny decides whether the astrologer should give you the correct prediction or the wrong prediction. This is something which people do not normally understand. Now, even after being given a correct prediction, sometimes and there is no way of verifying that whether it is right or wrong, whether the prediction was wrong or something like that. Now, then additionally, the problem comes because people want to hoodwink destiny, they want to do puja, they want to do some penance, whatever, by which they can overcome some of the malefits. Now, if he is a good astrologer, he has to say clearly that yes, you will do this penance and then your future will be like this. If we can say to that extent, then I believe he is a good astrologer. But if he says you do this, it will happen, you do this, it will not happen, then he is not a good astrologer. A good astrologer has to first accept that there is a destiny and then make predictions about the destiny. Then only I would call him a good astrologer. But most of the time, the astrologers make money by saying what are the pujas to be done or what are the penances to be done by which you will get rid of the negative effects. Of course, how to get rid of the negative effects is something which we probably have to discuss because that is the motivation for a lot of people. And obviously, by destiny, if it is possible, you can definitely do it. But they have to say in the destiny itself that this is the puja you will do and how you will get rid of it also. So that's my take on this astrology first part.